Hello, hello friends. In this video, I will show you how to enable DEP, Data Execution Prevention, all programs in Windows 10 or 11. So you have to click on this search and search here View, Advanced System Settings, open it. Now here click on Settings underneath Performance. Then here you have to click on this third tab, Data Execution Prevention. Here is the option turn on and turn off. If you want to enable, so select here turn on DEP for essential Windows program and services only. Click on add. So here is the option guys so here guys you can enable DEP for all programs. Select here, select this one, turn on DEP for all programs and services except those I select. Click on add. Just click on add. Here you will see a list of programs. You can select anyone which you need. Then click on apply. Then click on OK. Then restart your system. So this way guys you can enable DEP, Data Execution Prevention, all programs in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching.